Today, we're tackling a super handy feature, drop-down lists. Whether you're managing a project, organizing an event, or just keeping track of your daily tasks, a drop-down list can make your spreadsheet clean and error-free. Let's jump right in and streamline your Sheets experience. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Fire up Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet where you want to add a drop-down list. Step 2. Select the cell. Click on the cell or range of cells where you want your drop-down list to appear. Step 3. Data validation. Go to the Data menu and select Data Validation. Step 4. Create your list in the Data Validation dialog box. Under Criteria, choose List from a range or list of items. Enter your list items separated by commas or select a range of cells with the items you want in your list. Step 5. Customize settings. Decide if you want to show a drop-down menu or help text, and if users can enter other values. Step 6. Save and test. Click Save. Now, when you click on the cell, a drop-down arrow appears, showing your list of items. Give it a test run, and just like that, you've added a custom drop-down list to your Google Sheet. If this guide was helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe for more practical Google Sheets tips.